Hello everyone. Today my team will present about our business plan, and our business plan is Modern Optical Store.
In Cambodia, the majority of optical services use a paper-based system, which makes the process time-consuming. Customers often face the inconvenience of spending excessive time at the optical service, which results in a poor customer experience. No one wants to spend their entire day trying to acquire a new pair of glasses. Addressing this issue is important to drive in sales and growing a business. There are currently approximately 73 optical services in Cambodia, who are our target customers. Since our pricing will be volume-based, the 2.3 million people living with vision loss in Cambodia is also an important statistic. The online channel that we hope to penetrate generates only 0.5% of the optical revenues in the country. While there are competitors in the market, most of them are globally based and offer individual parts of our solution. Our solution creates a platform for optical services and their customers by combining management capabilities and AI-powered recommendations. For their customers, they can book an appointment, scan their face, and see options that suits them, try on and select their frame, and track their completion status from the palm of their hands. For the optical service, they can manage customer data, appointments, and update completion status. These features work together to provide two key values: process time reduction and a seamless customer experience. To monetize the solution, we plan to offer the platform to optical services in Cambodia on a volume-based subscription model where they can select plans depending on the number of customers and branches they have and pay yearly or monthly. Further monetization can also be derived from providing business analytics and e-commerce services. We aim to revolutionize the optical service industry in Cambodia by providing a subscription-based platform to the optical services operating in Cambodia that reduces processing time and creates a seamless experience for their customers. The platform also has scope to grow by providing business analytics and e-commerce features in the future.